Hello dear friends, today we are going to see a new video on the trekking place or the tourist place Bhamer in district Dhule, Maharashtra. It's one of the beautiful place in the district of Dhule near Nandurbar. Let us start the journey from the stairs. When we are moving towards the fort, it is a Bhamer Fort, which is an expedition or undiscovered place. It has been also been undertaken now by the Government of India Archaeological Department as an ancient monument. You can see here the broken walls are also seen clearly. Without maintenance the condition is not so good, but the place is so beautiful. When we are seeing it from a height, we can see the beautiful scene all around. You can see the peak of the mountains. From here we can see a beautiful scene from a height. You can see everywhere there is a beauty. The scenic view can be seen from allwhere. The place needs to reach by walking. It's a good place for trekking also. As we have personally did the trekking, it was an afternoon time, but still the breeze were blowing from everywhere. It's airy place, and when we are going up, we can see at the height the scene can be seen from everywhere. The beautiful scene is seen, and when we are seeing here, we can also see a solar panels from the distance. There is also a solar city nearby, and we can see the agricultural field is also seen from here. On the other side, there is also a temple at the top of the hill. As we move upside, we can see there is a way, that is a walking way. We are moving up now. From the other side we can see that the other peaks are seen clearly. And here is a village, that is the Bhamer village with a small population. This is the place from where we have walked around, and we can see all around the beauty of nature. In the abode of nature we can see this. When we are walking and climbing upstairs, we have seen that there is also a cave like thing in the mountain. Actually there is a wall. The construction is done by carving method. When we entered inside, we have seen that there are the small compartments or room like thing. Maybe it was a residential place for the ancient people. You can see the columns are also made with a stone. It's a carved one. We can see the whole stone is the one piece. There is no joint in between that, and a beautiful designs are been carved on it. And when we are seeing from all the sides, there is a room, and inside the room now the water is there. Maybe it's a rainwater which has been collected there. Actually this may have used for also as a rainwater harvesting purposes. Along with me also the friends were there, and when we entered inside, that time we have seen the window like thing is also been seen clearly, as well as the doors are seen clearly. That means in the ancient time maybe the people were using this. You can see inside the columns are also seen clearly, and the room is too big. It's all the walls are made with a stone, and the column like thing what you are seeing is also been carved one. It's a single piece like. There is no joint in between it. This was like something different what we are seeing. This is not the same cave what we are seeing all around, and the designs are also been made perfectly, and all the columns are been having the equal length, equal height. That was something different. That is a good engineering, or the example of good engineering. You can see how we are below the mountain, and in the mountain there is also the water harvesting plant is been made. You can see here the hilltops are also clearly seen, and below the hilltops the water is being stored. When the water fall from a mountain, it's been collected in these reservoirs. Means the ancient people were also knowing the rainwater harvesting method. Maybe this water was used during those days when there was a scarcity or shortage of water. You can see beautifully it was carved, and the way is also made to reach the top stairs. When we are seeing the mountain top view from here, we can see beautifully that it is carved in such a way that the water will flow inside and it will be stored there. As we move further, we can see the different views of village from all the angles, and the hilltops are also seen so clearly from a distance. There are different peaks. You can see also the sculptures with a different script. Maybe that is the script of that olden days. From here the view is quite different. It's a beautiful one from all round. As the sun was setting down, we are getting a different colors of mountain from the different angles. So it was quite amazing to see this. When we have entered inside, we have also heard the echo voices. That means the echo was heard clearly from all round. As it's an afternoon time, so we were also having a thirst at the upside, as well as there was suffocating problem because of less oxygen supply. But it was all managed. When we are on the top, everything goes smoothly and calmly. We can also see that the height of the reservoirs were quite good, and it was being stored throughout the year. You can see here the vacant one. This is quite deep and the water has been stored clearly. It's a tourist place. Many tourists they visit there by walking, you can see, but this is quite we can say not popular. That means that's why the less people reach there. The hilltops are beautifully been, we can say, the naturally developed. You can see from here the carved reservoirs are seen, and this is the distant view from the we can say from a far distance, and the different hills are seen from all round sides. This is the another hilltop. From the bottom we can see, this is the view from a bottom. When we reached up, we see the different view. This is the way to reach the Bhamer place, that is in district Dhule, Maharashtra. From distance we can see that peaks, and when we are reaching there, we can reach easily by road from Dhule or from Nasik. Nandurbar is also a nearest place to reach there, hardly 50 kilometers from Nandurbar. This is one of the quickest means to reach this place. It's a one time visit place in your life. We can say this is really a good place to visit. Then if you are loving in nature, I hope you will love this video to see that how the mountains are there and how the places. In rainy season you may also see a waterfall all around. Thank you for watching the video.